this? I just saw a huge wave starting to come in. If we lose reception, you know what happened, okay?
And then the other one was trying, it was one like that one was trying to get on it. Oh, we're talking about that. Yeah, it's all full of mud. But those kayaks are priceless. I think the kayaks are like...
Wow, the dock went.
Yeah, I saw it.
Hey Moose, this is getting pretty wild. I'm down at the yacht harbor here, man. It's fucking some shit up. Yeah, the docks are starting to peel out of here, man. This first dock after the bridge, it's gone, man. There's this big pile of boats in here now. Yeah, it's getting gnarly. There's a boat that's going out to sea right now. It's all kinds of stuff going on, man. I came down and parked at the end of Parkway and rode my bike in through Arana Gulch. But there's the water's starting to come back in now. It's amazing. Oh, here goes the big pipe, the dredge pipe. It's turning around, heading back. It's coming back in now. It's thrashing some stuff. Yeah, it's starting to come back in. Are you watching TV? But are they showing it? Yeah, it's coming back in now. This is, whoa, it's just taking the dock and just throwing it around here. Wow. Amazing. I don't know where Tony's boat's at. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm right past the bridge in the upper harbor, and it's his first dock that's really just taking it hard. Oh man, hope this big boat don't float away down here. I'll try and find his boat. Wow, here goes another kayak. You should see this big thing just hit O'Neill's boat down here a little while ago. Wow, it's coming back in. All right, I better go. Later. Hello? I don't know what happened. I was talking to nobody, but you should see what's going on now, man. That first, right past the bridge, the first dock here, it's gone, man. These boats are just getting thrown all over the place, and there's some carnage now. That thing's floating back in now that went out and hit O'Neill's boat. It's coming back in now. But there's a boat. There's going to be some boats sinking here in a minute. I've got this one here. It's got to be taking on water. It's leaning over hard. This is not good. Oh, it's going down. Oh, there it goes. Wow, this boat, man, it's just thrashing. It's pushing up these other sailboats. Oh, here comes this other thing coming up the bridge now. Oh, it's going to get by. What happened to that boat? Is that the way tossed way out there in the water out there, Jack? I see. Wow, this boat's going down. It's sideways. Do they show this on the news at all? Wow, here comes a big old dock. This boat's gonna get nailed. Oh, here comes this thing too. Oh, whoa! Jack, you're not gonna believe this. I got it. This dock has just crawled right up this boat here. Oh my God! Oh no! Now it's circling it. Oh no! You're not gonna believe this. Jack, this thing, it just. All right, later. Get that?
$60,000. A friend of mine, retired senior, had a boat there.